Will making your own e-liquid save you money? Stick around to find out. What up, my peeps? Dan the Man here. Do not fear, because we are going to DIY over in here. Alright, so we got the craziness out of the way. So will it save you money? Making your own e-liquid? Which, what we call DIY. Other people DIY making mods, which I also do, but suck at. Okay, I'm going on a tangent again. Get off of there. Come back to the e-liquids. Yeah, man. It'll save you money. After the initial investment, yeah, it'll save you money. Now, this video's been a long time coming. It has. I've been trying to make this video for weeks now. The research I've done, what do we need? And I remembered a video I watched, Complete Beginner's Guide to Making E-Liquid. So I went and watched it again and thought, hell yeah, that's the perfect video. I'll just have y'all go watch it. So I'll post a link. New Amsterdam Vape, Complete Beginner's Guide to Making E-Liquids. It's well thought out, concise, no wasted words, and it's probably the best beginner's DIY video on YouTube at the moment. And I looked through an awful lot. Anyways, here I go again. I'm wasting words, babbling on. Go watch his video, y'all. A few things I want to touch base on, though. He talks about doing by volume, which is syringes, and he talks about weight, which is a scale. Personally, I still use volume, unless I'm going to make 200 plus. If I'm going to make over 200 mil of e-liquid, then I'm going to use a scale because I don't want to do 5 or 6 of these. If you're going to pick volume, let me know. And if you want another video, I will teach you how to make these things last. For instance, the very first thing you want to do is put a clear coat on this. Nail polish, clear, obviously. I've even heard of people using super glue. That seems to me to be a kind of a difficult thing to do. Because believe me, if you don't put something over this, these will wipe off in the first 5 or 6 times you use it, and you'll have to buy a new one. I'll teach you how to make that stuff last. Another thing is the nicotine. How you're going to purchase it. If you have any questions, let me know. Personally, I use 100 mg, which is milligrams, to a whole. So whether it's 120 mil, or if it's a liter, or if it's just 60 mil of nicotine, you're going to have 100 milligrams of nicotine in a whole, which I just said that. I don't know why I said it again. Now, I posted a question on the forum at eliquidrecipes.com, and the overwhelming majority of people recommended the same scale he recommends, which is the American Way Scales LB501. I think it's 25 bucks on Amazon, so it's not very expensive. Whatever you do, don't be a cheapskate like I am on your scale. You will regret it. Believe me, I'm talking from experience. Basically, you guys, Let me know what kind of video you want me to make. And this goes for everything. I'm thinking about actually making one for cotton. I picked up this cotton and it sucks butt. Uh, the cotton I've been using for years, they went out of business. And so now I'm kind of screwed. I know it's selfish, but hey, there you go. So I'm thinking about making a wicking um, tutorial, or how to find the best cotton tutorial, something like that. If any of you guys need instructions for something, you want to know how to do something, I'll make a video for you. I promise I will. I'm here for you guys. I know my channel is mostly for beginners, and even if it's not, even if you're not a beginner, ow, I will still help people figure stuff out, man. So yeah, wham bam spank you, ma'am. I've got here the Twisted Messes 24 Pro with the Eclipse cap. It's bad to the bone, my brothers and sisters. Bad to the bone. I love it. if you're planning on doing DIY and you have any questions after watching that video, obviously I'll post a link. Then let me know. I will answer your questions. I read every comment. I know I don't get a lot of comments, but I read them all and I answer them also. And not like a smartass. You know, I'll be there for you guys, I promise. It's a vaping family. We're a family of vapors. We have one thing in common. Vaping saved our lives. That's a pretty good thing to have in common. Anywho, my friends, this is Dan the Man. I'm out. And just, hey, there's not much more to be said, is there? Peace.